Hi everyone, I am hoping that you all are fine. So guys, in this video, I will discuss about the 10 important strategies and tips to crack your CMA Foundation, CMA Intermediate or CMA Final in single attempt. You can easily crack your December 2021 or upcoming exam in single attempt if you follow this strategy, okay? But first of all, those candidate or student who are appearing for December 2021 has a doubt whether exams will be offline or online. Although institute is totally silent on this point, but you can understand the important intention of institute. Jan 21 online, okay, June 22 June 21 online. So yes, mostly December 2021 exams are going to start as per online mode, okay? But if you follow or focus these kind of strategy, so you can easily crack online mode or offline mode. So hope you understand, okay? First of all, the important point arising in the mind of when SAP batch new SAP batch announce, IOTP batch announce, 100-hour computing batch announce, okay, and whether December 2021 student will get exemption in practical, all kind of training, okay. So in this channel, I will share all the update related with the new SAP batch, IOTP tray batch, 100-hour computing batch, or if I get the you can say that information or update from institute related with the exemption, okay. Mostly institute will provide, but whenever we will get official notification, I will share. So in this channel, I will share all kind of updates, all kind of exam strategy, each and everything I will share in this channel, okay. So first of all, the important strategy, you need to understand that you have to make the decisions whether you are going to single group or both group. There is no harm if you are giving single group. You can see in the recent campus placement, those candidate some of the candidate who scored 22 lakh, they given single group, okay, and those candidate who also get placed in some other organization in on campus, so they have also given single group, okay. But yes, there is a benefit of giving both group. Instead of, there is a benefit or there is some privileges to those who qualified CMA both group, okay, in campus placement. So hope you understand that this is your decision. If you're talking about my personal opinion, so my personal journey, so I have always given single group, okay. I am the person who believe in single group, although ultimate decision is you need to take. And okay, and the third important strategy is that you have to complete your classes as soon as possible. If you are managing some subject with self study or some subject with classes, so you have to complete as soon as possible. Then if you are giving single group, at least 1 month required to revise or solve practice past year paper, mock test paper, model test paper. Single group, 1 month is required. And if you're giving both group, 2 months is required to practice more and more, okay. So at the end of 2 months, you need to take break from your training or from your job, okay. If you're talking about the study plan or strategy, you have to, in which mode you need to start your strategy. First of all, complete your study material, then 2-time revision, then solve syllabus 2016 past year paper, mock test paper, model test paper, MCQ booklet, workbook. MCQ booklet, workbook or syllabus 2016 past year paper you can easily get from institute website. I have also prepared a video. If you face any problem to find out, ask in the comment section, surely I will help you, okay. And this is the best strategy to crack your exam or to group your easily. You have to focus on if you are giving single group, so you have to focus on 2 subjects in which you score more than 60 plus. If you follow this and score in the remaining 2 subject 40, so easily you can crack the examination. If you're asking about me, costing, financial cost accounting, financial management, and financial accounting is my core strength, in which I have scored more than 60 plus. With the help of this, easily I have cleared my CMA intermediate or CMA final examination, okay. And now come to if you're giving both groups, so at least 3 subject or 3 to 4 you have to score. You have to work hard so that you can easily score more than 60 plus to crack your both group. The important point, the important strategy, that how to deal with theoretical subject or practical subject, okay. Which strategy I have followed during my foundation, intermediate or final. So if how to deal with theory. If you are facing problem with the study material to read theory, so my suggestion to you, you can buy any reference book, but follow only one teacher. If you are buy any law or audit book, so follow only one teacher, okay. You know, you need not to run for this teacher, okay. If you follow this strategy, I can assure you that you can easily have a good command over theoretical subject, or you can easily score good mark in theoretical subject. You have to follow, you need to do some research. Soon I will make a video, the best theoretical subject for audit or law, for inter or final, or for also for other theoretical subject, okay. But you have to follow only one teacher, okay. If you follow this teacher book, it will take your precious time and it will create a confusion in the mind of yourself. Practical subject, how to deal with the practical subject. Two register, one fair register, one rough register. In rough register you will do some rough work to solving practical question, okay, but in fair register you will contain all the study note wise, all the formulas, and study note wise all the solution of all practical question. It will help you whenever you are revising your syllabus. And 1.5 days strategy, please follow this strategy. I can assure you that you can easily crack your December 2021 exam and also upcoming exams of CMA Foundation, Intermediate or final examination, okay. How many hour you need to study? If you are giving foundation, 4 to 5 hour apart from classes sufficient. If you are giving single group apart from classes, 5 to 6 hours is sufficient, okay, with productive hours, okay. And if you're giving both group, 7 to 8 hours is sufficient apart from classes, okay. You need for both group candidate need to do some research, you can see that some they need to do some more effort. If you're talking about my strategies to crack CMA Foundation, Intermediate or final examination, simple strategy which I have followed. I have more focused on study material. I have completed my study material, all practical question. For theoretical subject I have bought a reference book, okay. And after completing syllabus, then I revise 2 times. After revision of 2 times, then I complete syllabus, all syllabus past year paper, okay. And that time we receive from institute for more practicing MTP, RTP or PTP, okay. Then mock test paper or model examination. I have followed this strategy and easily cracked my examination. I never faced any problem in CMA Foundation stage, in CMA Intermediate stage or in CMA final stage. If you follow this strategy, I can assure that you can easily crack in first attempt and never face any problem in any stages of Foundation, Intermediate or final. And which thing you need to do, okay, during your study, okay, you will see from wedding card of your close relative, but you need to do some sacrifices, okay. I have also did the same kind of sacrifices, not attended my close relative functions, okay. After completing the final, you can attend as much as weddings, okay. And you have to take care of your health. We have seen in the past also some of the candidate did their effort more and more, but at the before the starting of examination their health is not well and they skip the exam. So please do not do this. Please also take care of your health. Minimum or effective minimum hour is sufficient to crack your examination, okay. If you're asking me the last strategy, one liner strategy to crack your examination, so follow study material, solve 2 time revision, solve past year paper, follow MCQ booklet, workbook, mock test paper, model examination. If you follow this strategy, one liner examination, one liner strategy, I can say that you can easily crack your December 2021 examination or also upcoming examination easily. And so these are the strategy. If you follow, I can assure you that you can easily crack your December 2021 examination, okay. If you want to add something else, you can add in the comment section. If you want to give me suggestion, you can always welcome, okay. And if you find something good in this video, so please like this video. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and share with your friends or your group. And if you have any question or need any clarification in the comment section, you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you from my side. That's all about in this video. Bye guys.